Welcome back, guys. I just wanted to show off my losi Mini B and what I've done to it. So basically, it came as stock. Obviously, not a kit one, or not the Pro, whatever you want to call them. It was the yellow version. So right off the bat, I went with a clear wing. I got the aluminum losi shocks, front and back. I got aluminum arms. They're not bad. Aluminum arms are bad. They're a little bit more played, but it doesn't affect anything. Front and back. It's got Team Broke front aluminum shock tower. It's got aluminum carbon fiber rear shock tower. Brushless conversion. I'm running a Spectrum. I think it's a 3201 receiver. I forgot which one it is. It's a small one. I'm running the aluminum losi servo arm. Because at first I had Savox servo, and I decided you can't run this servo horn on it. So I'm like, okay, well, let me turn on the light. Let me just run the stock servo with the servo horn, and it performs good. I really like the way it performs. The car's set up perfect. I really enjoy these cars. I really wish Associate would put out a scale version. That would be awesome. I mean, that would win it for me. Like I said, stock wheels, stock body, clear wing, Team Broke front aluminum shock tower, losi aluminum shocks back and forth. It's got the upgraded motor plate, as you can see. Hot racing. It's got the aluminum carbon fiber shock tower in the back. It's that brand on eBay for that shock tower. Works really well. No instructions came with it, but you figure it out as you go. So, but that's it. That's the car. How I have it set up for running. I have several other cars. I have two stockers also. So I have all the colors. So if I want to run a stock setup with the brushed stock motor, I'll just run one of those. This one does have Team Broke carbon fiber shock tower on the front. But that's it for this one. These two. These are totally stock. But that's it. That's just how my setup. I haven't needed any other aluminum parts on the front yet. Probably don't even need them yet. Maybe this support on the bulkhead. But that's about it. Other than that, the brushless motor, I like the losi one. Actually doesn't. It feels really good and responsive. Same stock pinion. But you save space with the ESC built in, so you got all this space here, which is nice. So I like that, and also the stock battery. So I'm running everything stock on that. But that's it. Otherwise, that's my Mini B setup, guys. I want to start showcasing some of the RC10s I have, so I want to get those going. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. Thanks, guys.